what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So there's this topic that has been buzzing in these makeup streets, and I'm talking about clean beauty. I don't know about you, but I've been definitely hearing it a lot lately, so I was super intrigued to find out more about it. So today's video is going to be a full face makeup look using clean beauty makeup, y'all. And I'm going to be highlighting 3 of these products, because these are 3 that I feel like you guys need in your collection. Especially if you're just now getting into the swing of clean beauty, these 3 are really going to be like the starter for you. And all of the products that I'm using in today's video are clean at Sephora. So when you go to Sephora, that Sephora seal, it's like a green seal. That's how you know that the makeup is clean beauty. You've probably seen it when you've gone into Sephora. It's a green seal on products, and you probably wonder, like, what does that mean? So basically that seal is Sephora's way to help you identify which products are actually clean products. Clean beauty is basically the beauty you want, minus the ingredients you may not want. If you're the girl who's just like, you know what, I want to be more conscious about the ingredients that I use on my skin and my face, but I don't want to stay away from fun makeup. Like I want to still look, you know, I still want to look glam, but I want the ingredients to be clean. Clean beauty is for you. Alright, so if you want to see how I achieved this look using all clean beauty products, let's dive into the video. I'm going to start off by priming my skin with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. So I've been using this for a little over 2 to 3 years, and I love it. Not only in the sense of how my makeup applies when I use this, but also how my skin feels when I put this on. This is really good if you have dry skin or normal skin, and I have oily combination skin and still love it because I still feel like I need the hydration, and this is really hydrating. And as you age, you start having skin concerns like loss of firmness and fine lines and wrinkles. Like, they just show up out the woodworks. When I say this primer is good for your skin, you guys, it contains vitamin B5, vitamin B3. It's so nourishing to your skin. You feel hydrated, your skin feels smoother afterwards, and you can actually feel this primer penetrating your skin. It doesn't feel like it's sitting on top. It doesn't have that silicone feel whatsoever. It literally feels like a serum, like you're putting on skincare. If you have textured skin, which if you're my age, you probably do, you're gonna love this because it has blue agave extract in it, which is gonna help smooth that texture out, make that makeup apply flawlessly. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my skin, and I like to just kind of push this into the skin, really work it in there. I just love how my skin feels when I put this on. It just feels like my skin is soaking all of this goodness in, like it's drinking it up, and it doesn't sit on top of my face. It literally, the product just goes right in instantly. You see that hydration already? Like, sometimes on those days where you don't really want to wear a lot of makeup, or you don't want to wear makeup at all, you could take this primer, put this on your skin, and look like you have healthy, glowing skin, which it's actually working. So up next, I'm going to do a lip mask, and I didn't realize how important this step was until I kept trying to figure out, why are my lips so crusty? LA weather is so dry. My lips literally look like a reptile's back. So I started using this product, and when I tell you that my lips have been feeling so much better, conditioned, moisturized, hydrated, no cracking. This is the ILIA Lip Wrap Clean Hydrating Lip Mask. So it looks like this in its jar. This is a leave-on mask, so you would literally apply this to your lips and leave it on. Allow it to just sit there, condition your lips. This will leave your lips feeling super soft, supple, revived. It's in a lip balm formula, and it's super hydrating to the lips. It also provides plumping to your lips, and it's a clean beauty product, so it's cruelty free, free of anything harmful, and it comes in recyclable packaging, so saving the planet and our lips. One of my favorite ingredients in this product is the exfoliating papaya enzyme. So it's basically going to clear the way for the products to just melt and penetrate in your lip. And I like to pat it onto my lip, and definitely do not forget these corners. I tend to get really dry right here, and sometimes they crack. I don't understand that, but that's how dry my lips can be, where they start to crack in the corners. So I like to pay special attention to this corner, and it just feels so good. Like you're putting on a nourishing body butter, but for your lips, on your lips. And honestly, when you use this product, it helps to soften your lips over time. So I try to do this every night before I go to bed, and then in the day when I'm doing my makeup, I like to do this step right after my primer, so that my lips are hydrating and conditioned before or while I'm applying my makeup. I'm gonna move on to the next step, which is foundation, and today's foundation is also clean at Sephora. This is the ILIA True Skin Serum Foundation. I'm just buffing it in, and I love how that Milk Hydro Grip Primer just allows the makeup and the foundation to go on so smooth and easily. All right, so next I am moving on to concealer. I'm using this one by KOSAS. This is their Revealer Super Creamy Brightening Concealer and Daytime Eye Cream. And I'm just gonna apply this in the areas where I want the light to naturally hit my face. I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. And I have this in this shade Translucent Deep. So now it's time to bronze the skin, and I'm gonna be using the KOSAS The Sun Show Moisturizing Baked Bronzer. And I have this in the shade Deep. All right, so brows are on. I'm gonna move into the eye look for the day. I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup Color Chalk Multi-Use Powder Pigment, and I'm gonna use the shade Kickball, which is a gorgeous gold shade. Okay, so to complete the eye look, I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and today I'm using this one by Bite Beauty. This is the UPSWING Full Volume Mascara. Let's talk about this mascara for a second, because if you are a mascara wearer, some of us still do wear mascara, you know one of the things that sometimes can happen with certain mascaras is that they flake. So not only is this a clean beauty product, y'all, it's actually flake resistant. This is what every mascara girl needs in her collection, okay? Because the flakes, they gotta go. They have to go. Love the packaging. This is also a volumizing mascara, so you're gonna get that volume that we all love when we want our lashes to pop. And one of the highlighted ingredients in this mascara is the Tree Berry Wax. So what that ingredient does, it helps to grip the lashes so that you can build upon your lash without weighing it down. I like to blink in to it, and I love this wand. This wand is like, it's thick, but it's tapered in the middle to help really grip it. And this is a really easy wand to work with. Y'all see that volume already and the lengthening that I'm already getting from this mascara, and it is extremely dark, which is what I love when I'm wearing a mascara, because I like the look of false lashes without actually wearing false lashes. And it feels really lightweight when I'm applying it. It doesn't feel heavy on my lashes at all. All right, so I already know you guys can see the difference between this lash and this lash. Do you see how much volume I got just from that one product? All right, so lastly, I'm going to do my lips. I'm going back into that Milk Makeup Color Chalk, this time in the shade Jump. All right, y'all, this is the completed look. I think it looks really, really good and healthy. Like, you can tell I'm wearing makeup, but it just looks like very fresh and a healthy look. I hope this video was helpful and you found it informative. If you weren't too familiar or clear with clean beauty products, let me know in the comment section, what are your favorite clean beauty products at Sephora? And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Check the description box for all the links to the products that I used in today's video. Head over to your nearest Sephora store or Sephora.com and look for that clean seal. That's how you know it's a clean beauty product. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get out of here and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.